Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Bitcoin Update, and we're trading at 87,094. When you check the 5 minutes time frame, it's really confusing for scalpers. So my suggestion to the scalpers, if people are trading the short lower time frames, is that you're going to see this thing being so random, right? This is just way too random. You don't know if this is the entry point, that's the exit point, or this is the exit or entry. You are going to be very, very confused. So in order for you to understand what's going on, first of all, check the higher time frames always. When you check the higher time frame, it becomes easier to understand what's going on in the lower time frame. So what I do see is the following: Adam and Eve double top, right? So you have this one top, this very large top. So basically when you have a narrow, which is a very, very simple top, and a wide, right? So this is wider, and you can see this is Adam and this is Eve. So why is it called Adam and Eve? All right, here it is. So put this as an A, right? And this one, which is wide, this almost looks like an E, right? If you kind of flip it over, that's an A right over there, and this is an E right over here. Adam is the narrow, Eve is the wider, right? So Adam and put an and in there, and Eve, and this is what? Double top, right? So both of them are double top. Double tops are what? Are chart patterns. And what kind of a chart pattern this is? A reversal chart pattern. What is a reversal chart pattern? From the name itself, when you are in an uptrend, it's a reversal to the downtrend. If you're in a downtrend, a reversal to the uptrend, right? So you can have Adam and Eve, right? Adam and Eve like this, double bottom as well, and this is the double top right over here. All right, now you get the whole point. So when you're a scalper, you'll understand that. All right, so we have all these things. Where's the neckline? It's going to have a neckline. This is the neckline. What did you do? You broke the neckline. What did you do again? You retested the neckline. Did you pause? Hell no, you didn't, right? You got rejected. The next candle was pretty red, just as the previous candle was green. And you might have been confused. Maybe you were bullish once again, but it was just a retest, right? By the end of the day, you have to check the closings on the daily, and especially the closing on the 4-hour time frame shows, at least for today as we speak, is that we have a bearish Harami candle. And if you zoom in here with the green and next to it with the red, it is time for Bitcoin to drop down again. And also the technical target for this Adam and Eve was never really met. So if we check the main target, is actually to 75,400 or $75,500. So we are very close, and I think that's going to be the bottom. If you do make it down to 13% drop, it's going to be the bottom. To me, this is going to be the bottom, anywhere between 73 and 77 or 72,000, with some exception of maximum 65k, right? Maximum. But I don't really think 50ks, and I'm not calling 55ks. That's just going to be way too much. In a bull run, I've seen that it's been normal for Bitcoin to correct 30% and still have another impulsive move to the upside. And speaking of 30%, from the all-time high, again, this is going to be moved down over 30%, exactly 30%. And that's normal. In bull run, yes, 30% can happen, and you can still remain in a bull run. And by the way, you can still go up again, make new all-time high, then drop 30%, and then go up, then drop 30%, because back in the previous bull run, we saw 7 different 30% dips, seven different of them, right? And we still had alt season. We had a bad altcoin season as well, where altcoin were dying, but we still had, like, the first drops, altcoin looked bad, but the second and third pumps, the altcoin actually started making some 10-50x in the previous bull run. So we have chances, guys. We have chances. All I can say is it's a discounted market. One more time, people who have earned their money in their daily jobs, they want to actually invest in crypto and buy something a little bit. You know, if you know how to buy and invest, if you're doing some good research, it's a good time. It is a very, very good time. I mean, from my side, I will definitely be buying some of the few stuff. And speaking of buying, I have an offer for the newbies, right? For the new people on the private. If you join for Q2, April, May, and June, you will get 25 days of March for free. Normally, it's just 3 months that you join and that's it. But you're gonna get this March, remaining days of the last Q1 part of it. 25 days is a lot, okay? A lot of trades can happen in 25 days. So that's for free. That's gonna be given you as, all right, it's an offer, take it. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one, guys.